A large decorative room where candlelight flickers across the faces of England's finest minds. The air is thick with anticipation. Robert Hooke stands at a table, meticulously arranging his strange brass instrument called compound microscope. Christopher Wren, a brilliant architect and Hooke's close friend, stands by his side. Wren whispered, "You have shown me the barbs on a fly's foot and the crystal lattice of snowflakes. But these men, they still think the skies are the only frontier." Hooke quietly replied with conviction, "Then tonight we redraw the map of wonder." Sir William Bronker, President of the Royal Society, calls the meeting to order. Bronker announced, "Gentlemen, we shall now hear from our curator of experiments, Mr. Robert Hooke. Mr. Hooke, what marvels do you bring us this evening?" He steps forward, gesturing to the microscope, his voice rich with passion. "Gentlemen, I call this instrument a microscope. It's a key to a new kingdom, a world that exists beyond our naked eye." Then he carefully places a thin slice of cork under the microscope's lens. He lights a small candle, its flame casting a glow on the instrument. He adjusts the focus. On a large white screen, a magnified image appears. Fuzzy at first, then sharpening into a honeycomb pattern of tiny box-like structures. Gasps ripple through the room. "What are these, little bricks?" asked the president. "No, Mr. President," Hooke replied triumphantly. "I call them cells, like the small rooms in a monastery, and these are the basic building blocks of this cork. I believe all plants and perhaps all living things are made of them." Hooke, holding up a copy of his book Micrographia, with the cover showing detailed illustrations. "In this book, you will find the intricate eye of a fly, the complex sting of a bee, the structure of snowflakes under magnification. Nature's perfection dwarfs our craftsmanship." The room falls silent. The flickering candlelight dances across the projected image of the cork's cell. Bronker said, "Mr. Hooke, you have not merely showed us a new world, you have revealed the architecture of existence." Years later, a Dutch cloth merchant named Antony van Leeuwenhoek wrote to the Royal Society describing animalcules seen through his handmade lenses. It was Hooke's job as the Society's curator of experiments to confirm or deny such findings. His validation not only sealed Leeuwenhoek's legacy, but also laid the foundation for the science of microbiology. Together, these two men, connected only by letters, proved that the greatest discoveries weren't in the heavens, but in the unseen worlds all around us.